So I'm just gonna make a video real fast because a lot of you guys were wanting feedback on how to build your trucking business credit. So I'm just gonna break it down here real fast and kind of summarize things. If you have further questions, just reach out, or just look up some videos on YouTube. There's lots of information out there. But so basically, what I've learned so far is first you got to establish the trucking company if you don't already have one. It's just a matter of setting up your LLC or S Corp or whatever you want to structure your business as. Typically it's an LLC. Register that with the Secretary of State in the state that your driver's license is in, that your home address is. Then once you have that, or if you already have that, you want to set up a business bank account and get a business credit card. Now, before you go to a bank, I recommend Chase Bank. That's what we use. Before you go, you want to look up online like offers that they currently have. So when we set up our account back in September, they had an offer like if you have a credit card and you link it to your Verizon bank account and set it up for auto pay, so your credit card automatically pays your Verizon bill every month, they'll give you $1,000 or 1,000 cashback points rewards, right? So that equals $500. And you have to read the fine print, so it's usually like 2 or 3 months that it has to process before they'll give you the bonus. But definitely worth it, right? In 2 or 3 months you get $500 for free. That's awesome. Then also they have like just setting up the bank account itself. We got a $200 bonus for that. Depends on the type of account you set up, and there's a minimum deposit requirement, stuff like that. So just read the fine print and understand if you can meet those requirements. You should be able to. And then, so you have your business bank account set up, you have your credit card set up. You definitely want to go for a credit card that has 0% introductory rates for interest if you can. We were able to with good credit, so then that definitely helps, because then you can just literally use your credit card for like everything and earn cash back on everything that you're buying, and then you're paying no interest. So make payments back to the card as you want. If nothing else, make sure that you have it paid down completely before that introductory 0% interest timeline is over, so you're not screwing yourself and getting a whole bunch of interest applied on a large amount later, right? So set up the account, or set up your business bank account and credit card. Make sure you understand the offers that come with it and that you can meet those requirements. Even if you can't, guys, like, it's still, you want to do this because you're building your business credit. So don't worry about it if you don't have great credit. If you're not going to be able to meet the minimum deposit amounts to get the bonuses, don't even worry about it. Still do it. Because over time you're going to improve your standing, right? Even if you have to start with like a secured card, if they offer you a business account secured card because your credit isn't that good, do it, because you're going over time, and in a short period of time you're going to be able to build that up and then be able to get a real credit card, be able to increase the available limits on that card. So then you also want to look at other ways you can register your company for like business benefits. So Verizon Wireless. We went to Verizon and set up a business account. They change it up a little bit. You have to have 5 lines open for you to qualify. So we had 4 at the time. We got a 5th line by just getting a hotspot. And then Verizon gave us a $6,000 credit limit for our business. So we now have 2 brand new lines of credit on a business that has no history of any income, right? Because we had just started this business a couple months before and then just started operating under it. 2 lines of credit and over $10,000 in credit available through these 2 options right off the bat. And then that helps because Verizon reports your credit standing with them. They report it to the business credit bureaus. So if you don't know already, there are, just like we have personal credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, there's business credit bureaus. It's Experian and Equifax, but business department. So, and then there's also Dun & Bradstreet, which is kind of the major one. You want to make sure that the accounts that you open are reportable. Just keep that in mind. So aside from Verizon, there's also like accounts that are called Net 30 accounts. You can look this up, and they're companies that you set up. Basically, you have no credit history with them at all, but you set up what's called Net 30, where you make purchases and they give you 30 days to pay the amount on the purchases. So it's a line of credit. And then that can increase, that can change over time. They can then, see that you're good for it and then start offering you like an actual credit card. For us right now, it doesn't really apply. We don't need those. Whoa, I don't know why it just got so dark. We don't need those because they're like companies that we don't use, but you might be able to, or you might be able to find another use for some of them. So set that up. Set up your Verizon or any other company that you can look up or look into that offers like introductory businesses, lines of credit, or benefits for you guys, right? Then you want to make sure that you register. You have to go online and you have to register your business with all 3 of the bureaus. Go to Dun & Bradstreet, register your business. You don't need to pay the $150 for the monitoring, whatever stuff. You don't need to pay that. Just set up the basic one, and that'll get it to where your company's registered with Dun & Bradstreet, and they'll start following up on your credit and reporting it. Also Equifax and Experian, same things. And then that's it really, as far as I know right now. That's all we've really been doing. We've definitely been able to take advantage of some of the benefits from these. As you keep using your business credit card responsibly, not buying things that you don't need or you wouldn't, buy otherwise. Buy what you need, pay it down, buy what you need, pay it down, however you want to do it. Using it responsibly, and building your credit from other companies if that's options for you. As you keep doing this, like, you're going to keep earning higher credit limits. You're going to also build up your credit score with these 3 bureaus, and then over time, based on your needs, you can have a big, huge line of credit. You can have a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 line of credit with Chase Bank, let's say, or you can qualify for a personal loan. Is that not enough to get a down payment on another truck, or buy a business vehicle that you use for transporting yourself from your semi truck to home, right? Your business vehicle. That would be your kind of personal vehicle, but it's your business vehicle as well. There's all kinds of options and ways that utilizing your credit can really help build your business and your personal life. And anyways, that's what I've learned so far. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Otherwise, a lot of this stuff can be found like on YouTube videos and stuff. But I'm happy to help. Take care, guys.